Hi, today we are going to see about the event. Okay, so in probability we have event. So regarding to that we are going to see. So first one we are going to see this through the example. Okay, so through the experiment we are going to see. So I'm taking a sample space of tossing two coins. So one coin means it's head and tail alone. But when you toss two coins, what will be the sample space means head. Okay, so when the two coins will be head, another one is head and another one is tail, and another one is tail and another one is head, or both will be the tail. So these are the sample space we will get. Okay, so from this, if I am going to select some particular thing alone, because what I am going to choose here is occurrence of exactly one head, only one head we are going to take. Okay, so in this sample space, how many outcomes are like that? So when you see this, you have HT and TH, that is these two are the only two outcomes which is having only one head. Exactly one head means only one head should be there. So that means this is the case this is the answer we get. So now you will say this one as the event. So in common, how we can define this as any subset. Okay, so this is the whole set. From that we are taking the subset. You already know what is subset. So from that you are taking the subset. So that subset E of a sample space. From the sample space, this is a subset of a sample space. That is called an event. So I hope so you clearly understand what is an event. So there are different types of events we have. So first we are going to see that. So in these types of events, first one is impossible and sure event. Okay, so 5, which is an impossible set. So 5 means there is nothing over there, so which is an impossible set. And the whole sample space, okay, so that we will take it as a sure set. So, okay, so one is impossible set, another one is sure set. Now for this one, we are taking the example of rolling a die. So when I am rolling the die, the sample space will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so this is the sample space. Now I am taking an event which is the numbers appears on the die is the multiple of 7. Even 7 is not there. Okay, but here they are asking the multiple of 7. So it's impossible. Okay, so we are saying that there is nothing which is impossible. There is no outcome like that. So we are putting that as an impossible. So that event is an impossible. So that is called the impossible event. Okay, so next one is in the sure event. So now F, I am taking another one which is F. No turn, number of turns of is odd or even. Okay, so even if it's odd or even. So when I take this one is a odd number and 2 is a even number and 3 is odd. So everything will comes. Okay, so together the whole sample space will comes under this. So finally we are saying that F is equal to S. So this is called the sure set. Okay, so this is the impossible event and the sure event. Okay, next one is about the simple event. So an event E has only one sample point, only one simple point of a sample space. So for example, here we are taking again, we are tossing two coins. Okay, so the sample space will be the head and head tail and tail head and then tail tail. Now each and everything that is one point. So all these 4, each and everything you will take it and write it as a simple point. Okay, so these are the simple event we can say. So here in simple event you have only one event in each and every event. Okay, so only one we can take, that is head or head tail. But when it coming to the compound event, there it comes the 2 or 3 it will come. Okay, we will see it in the next. What is the compound event? So compound event, an event has more than one sample point. If an event is having more than one sample point, then we will say that as a compound event. Okay, so for example, we are taking the tossing two coins. The sample space will be head tail head and tail tail. Okay, now first condition, that is first event is E we are taking, that is exactly one head appear. So exactly one head means only one head should be there. So that is 2 we are getting. Okay, so that is head tail and tail head. So here the sample point is 2. Okay, so it will comes under the compound event. If more than one sample point appear, it will come under the compound event. Now, next, coming to the next one. At least one head appeared. So, at least one means at least one should be there. More than one also can be there. So, we are taking that HT and TH and HH. And the next one is the at most one head should be there. So, at most means maybe the head will be there or the head will not be there also. So, we are taking that at most. So, tail, tail, then head, head and tail, head. So, these and all will be the compound event. Why we are saying these and all will be the compound event? In each and every event, that is in E, F, G, in everything we will see the sample point is more than one. So, if the sample point is only one, we will say that one as a simple event. If the sample point is more than one, we will say that one as the compound event. So, thank you. I hope you can understand all this event concept. So, we can see about the algebra of event in the next chapter.